Veracruz is a colorful city with all kinds of artistic graffiti on the walls. My room in the school was basic, but functional enough. There were separate classes for beginners like us and for advanced students.
Sí, no quiero, espero y 5 de diciembre. Dice, oh no, yo no sé.
There was also a study to be used during off hours.
Necesito una habitación con 2 camas y espacio para 2 motocicletas.
¿Comprende?
En la planta baja.
Mañana.
During the lunch hours, we were taken to different historical sites every day of the week.
How old? 1500.
500 años? No sé.
1500. 1500.
Años?
1500 años.
No, más.
I haven't had any laundry done for days. Wow. This is where you want to get up with it.
La cultura de Veracruz, esta es una réplica de la cabeza olmeca.
This gives you an idea when the Spanish invaded and the Mexicans just had canoes against these legions of Spanish. How many are you buying? Because it really looks quite delicious.
Oh, I don't have the inside for this.
Gracias. The last night we had a night on the town with some of the other students. Our next destination was to be the old town of San Cristobal. Armed with a few more words of Spanish, we set off. So we're going through an area that is very similar to the Texas area, where there's just thousands and thousands of heads of cattle. Beautiful lake and no tourists. Can you tell all the good people at home what happened here, Peter?
No, I don't want to talk about it. I have a full litre of oil, and the cap has come off and leaked all into my panels. This is the SIM card cutter. Somebody's happy to see it.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
Look, BP, they didn't have one of these for the Gulf of Mexico disaster. Look at it. Un oila. What the fuck? Is the camera oil proof?